This is my first PC build. Thank you to all my friends and family that have provided a lot of goods, materials, support, tips, everything to make this happen. This is one of my awesome roommates this summer. His name's Bruce. He's a PhD in computer engineering, but apparently has never built a PC, so this is great. The blind leading the blind. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so for today's build, I guess we start out every build by talking through what we have. We have this awesome Z270AR motherboard donated by an awesome colleague of mine, Doug. He also just joined the team just like I did, but he knows a lot more than I do. So we are building an i5 7600K, so an i5 with overclock capabilities, which is VR ready, which hopefully I make use of this summer. A 2x8 DDR4, 16 gigs total, so 2 slots on the motherboard. For my SSD, I have a Samsung 860 EVO, which comes with a total of 500 gigs. In my case, which was also donated, I have a terabyte of HDD that's already sitting in there, so can't really pull it out to show you guys. I probably will not be needing the full capacity of this particular graphics card, but it is a Titan XP. Okay, so having watched a week of videos and Bruce having seen nothing, I think I'm the slightly less blind one. Okay.
Have you discharged yourself?
Yeah. Have you discharged yourself?
No.
Go touch something and come back. Okay. This is the scariest part. I'm gonna screw this up. My hands are shaking. Alright. I just go like this, right?
Yeah.
Have you worked with CPUs?
No.
Yo, is Young Dog Nate still here?
Huh?
Young Dog Nate has done this before.
It shouldn't.
Young Dog! Okay, unlatch, right? Where's the arrow? No, there's supposed to be an arrow on here as well. Lines! Where's the arrow? Doug, did you scrub this arrow off? There's no arrow left. Okay, well, according to this nifty installer thing, which I guess I'm not going to use because I've never seen anybody use it, the arrow is supposed to go pointing in that direction. And the notches line up like that as well. So, I'm gonna pick it up. This is my other roommate, Nate. Say hi, Nate.
Hello.
He actually was, yeah. Dude, I have friends.
I don't know.
He was one of the first ones I talked to about building a PC.
Yeah,
He's actually done it before.
Yeah, push it. And then put it here. Under. Yeah.
And this bracket goes underneath, right?
Yes.
It looks crooked from up top. Maybe it doesn't. No, it's definitely crooked. It's fine. It's cool. Alright. I think I'm ready for my case. That's okay. So I live in a house that has a computer science major, an electrical engineering major, an informatics major, which is also part of the engineering school at UC Irvine. And yet for some reason, I'm here trying to build my PC by myself. I'm gonna kill it, destroy this entire thing. I live in a house of engineers. Alright, in the video I'm following, they go ahead and install the power supply, so I'm gonna just slide the power supply in. This build is a little funky. Well, actually what's funky is that I inherited this power supply from my brother, and so I get all of this to deal with. It's just gonna kind of like jiggle around in there. It'll be great. It'll be awesome.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You're right. And this is why I need someone else. I need a PhD
Yeah.
candidate so I don't do stupid stuff. Target was to finish this in 2 hours. I feel like that's still achievable, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna plug in my hard drive, and for that, I don't understand why I have so many of these, but this cable and my SATA cable, one of my 2 SATA cables. If you guys can't see, this is what I'm dealing with right now. Love my brother for the dono, but can't really deal with all these cables right now. It's blowing my mind. Well, that hasn't happened yet, Doug. I can't. Explosions aren't going to happen until I turn this on, and I can't turn it on until things are plugged in, which they're not yet. Storage. Done. What to do next? I'm just trying to delay plugging everything else in. I have all of this wonderful goodness that I still need to deal with. Yay! Plus, minus. Just bring you guys a little closer here. Power and ground. That's on this side. Yay! We're just gonna shove all this happiness into here. All right, HDD plugged in, SSD plugged in. A little jiggly for some reason, but plugged in. All the top front board, the power button, the USB, the audio, the mic, all plugged into the tiny stuff down there at the bottom. Oh shoot, actually, you know what the biggest problem is? I don't have power going into my power source. My brother did not give me the other end that is really critical to making sure that you can turn your computer on, which is that bad boy. Out of everything, that's the piece that I'm missing. Shield ombre. Genius. You saved my stream. You know what? Young Dog Nate is out, but yesterday night before he left, he did tell me that I could practically take his PC apart if I needed to help me build mine. Hey, yo, Young Dog. Hello? Hey, so I just realized my brother gave me a power source without like the power cable going into the power. Can I potentially borrow yours?
Yeah.
It's not in a boot loop. It's not showing any. Oh.